Okay, this is probably one of my most favorite exercises ever. I love it for the abs. I love giving it to my clients to do. I do it myself whenever I do my ab workout, and I think it's probably one of the things that has helped me keep nice and toned in here. So I call them scrunches because you scrunch up your body really, really tight, and you have to use your abdominal muscles to keep your body in a scrunched up position. So I'll show you. You lie back. It's a variation on the classic crunch position. You're going to bring my hands behind my head. Bring my hands behind my head. I'm going to lift my feet up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel, same as the other crunches, the other videos that you've looked at, I'm going to peel the back of my shoulders off the mat. I'm going to tuck in this area nice and tight, pull in my tummy from the waistband area. It's switched on, it's working already. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet my elbows towards my knees towards my elbows. In order to do that, I need to come up higher in my upper body. I need to lift up my bottom, so it's going to be hard for me to talk because I'm going to be working very hard. And I'm going to scrunch myself up into a nice, tight little ball. So my bottom is up, my upper back, my shoulders are up. I'm pulling in my muscles as tight as possible, nice and tight, and you hold this for about a 25 count. So I'm holding, and then I reach up. So we bring in a little bit of robotic beetle into here. I do not look up. I'm being very careful with my neck. I'm reaching, and again, I expand with active legs, active arms. I'm not soft in my limbs, and then I go all over again. Now, the reason why I love this exercise is because I'm asking my body, challenging my body to hold a crunch position, meaning holding the muscle contraction for a very long time. And I would say do 3 to 5 of these, maybe 3 sets. Start with 3 sets of 3, holding for the 25 count, and that will be perfect to add into your abdominal routine. Reach, open, and relax. Good grief, that's hard.